is a good chunk of change. And there's a tattoo card at the bottom, so it's for my next tattoos. So it's like hey guys, it's me. So today we're doing a what I got for Christmas haul. So it's gonna be my parents, some of my boyfriend's family members, what I got for myself, and what my man's got for me, and what my Secret Santa at work got for me. So I'm just gonna kind of grab stuff. Well, I'll do it in sections. So we'll do what my boyfriend's family got for me first. So I'm gonna be like, you know, so I'm just gonna do them as a they collective instead of, oh, this individual person, you know what I'm saying. So they got for me, I'm gonna get these two pins. They are it says they were delayed, so I'm gonna get these two, obviously from Howl's Moving Castle. So yeah. Oh wait, no, this one is Howl's Moving Castle, this one is Spirited Away. So, and then I got some pins. This is my pin book, and I got, let me flip to the page with them on it. Okay, so I don't think I got any ones at the top this year. I got these two, and they're, I forgot her name, but the clown girl who made the clock with her legs, and Miss Frizzle. And then, is this too bright? Let me see if I can make this darker. Oh, well, looks like I could just do it when it's not on recording already. Let me see if I can, hold on. So I made it darker. It looks fine when I'm not recording, but then when I press record, it's like, no, we're gonna blow you out. So it is what it is. And then I got this one. I can't see it, but it's Digimon. Travesty. Well, it's this one, Digimon. Okay, so that's plants. They also got for me, I have the Brooklinen sheets, and they are, I look odd. Hold on, I'm gonna try and get this darker. I don't know why it's doing that. I can like get it darker when I'm not recording, but then when I press record, it's like, no. Anyways, I got a set of Brooklinen sheets. They're not in here because they're already on the bed. And this is what I got. I got it in fresh moss, which on the site looks more green, but in person it's like a gray green. Let me see if I can show you. Ooh, you see them? So, but I still like them, and they were comfy and they stayed cool over the night. So yeah. And then they got me, twist and turn and drop, this dress that I wanted. I'll have to link it down below because I don't remember the brand. I think I got it from Amazon because I was watching Faye. I'm forgetting what her channel name is, but I watch her from time to time. It's Faye, and she had this dress on, and it looks so cute on her. And she's a more top heavy individual like myself, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. So it's just like this. The neckline looks like this, and then it just kind of goes down. It's like almost like a linen material. Can't really see it, but yeah. I will say that the zip, you know how some dresses, the zip, when it comes from like this part to the drop waist, it wants to be a nightmare. Yeah, it's like that. I did get it on though, it was just hard to get it off because, yeah, I got mine in a large. But yeah, it's so cute and it has pockets. So I'll just link it down below so y'all can see what it looks like, because I know you can't really see it in that way. And then they also got me a bunch of gift cards to tjmaxx. So with that, I got this purse, and I'm like, it's so cute. It's like it's for the American Heritage brand, and I just like it because I like the, like, kind of looks like patchwork material on it. So I got that, and I got just like some facial stuff from tjmaxx, because I needed to re-up on like facial cleanser and creams and that stuff, type of thing. I don't think I have. I think the only thing that's sitting with me is the this. So hold up. Oof, the brightness. Let me see something. That's a little bit better. Okay. We got this. It's a, let me put it on this side. Got this. It's just a little, like, I believe it's like a dish scrubby. I think everyone got one of these. And then that might be it that I'm seeing. If I forget something, y'all ain't gonna know anyway. So okay. And then to my Secret Santa, she got me, she got me Trolley's gummies. I believe she got me another gummy, but I don't know. I have a lot of gummies, okay? So she got me Trolley's gummies, and then she got me sour fruit roll-ups. I didn't even know they made sour fruit rolls, but they do. And then she got, these are the ones I've been using, but she got me a re-up on these two. These are the Juvia's Place lip glosses. What collection? The coffee shop ones. This is mochaccino, and then this one is Kenyan coffee. I asked for these specifically because I love them. So yeah, I have Kenyan coffee on right now, and then like just a little dab in the middle, I have my Fenty cream gloss in Fenty Glow. But yeah, that's what she, oh, and then she also got me a box of the Sweet Lawrence blueberry, and then the Sweet Lawrence cinnamon, because I asked for this specifically too, because I love them and they're gluten-free and they're good. So okay, I'm getting a little bit jumbled here. And then my parents got us this crock pot, and it's so beautiful. Look at this color. Look at the color. So yeah, I really love this. So I believe they got that from Macy's, but don't quote me. And then we're winding down now. Oh, also from tjmaxx, I got this too with some of my gift card. Obviously, I took one out already, but yeah. Okay, so my mine's, I'm smelling one of the gifts, but I don't see it. Oh, here we go. So in my stocking, oh, I gotta grab that. Hold on. Okay. In my stocking, he got me a blind ring, like a blind box, and it's rings from Howl's Moving Castle, because that's my favorite Studio Ghibli movie. And this was the one I got. Oh, well, hello. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Y'all might just have to use your imagination. But anyways, it's a scene where Calcifer is like, I think Sophie's cleaning, and Calcifer is on his last leg, and he's like, Sophie, please, Sophie, I'm going out. So yeah, so it's a ring. I can take this little piece off and put it on, but yeah, it's so cute. And then he started my collection of these 10 movies, well, 10 movie boxes, because I keep looking at them and I'm like, no, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that. So he said, you need to do that. So he started the collection for me. He got me the Kiki's Delivery 10 box DVD. So now I have to collect them all. And it's so pretty. And they all come in different colors. It's a vibe. Oh, that wasn't in my stocking note, but in my stocking, he got me this trolley bag. He got me this trolley bag. I think there was another trolley bag. He got me Sour Patch bag. And then he got me these chocolates, which are for Rocher, but you know, you can't really see. But and then also with the Kiki movie, there was another box of Ferrero Rocher. So I'm set when it comes to sweets. And then he got me these reusable Ziplocs, because I've been wanting these for so long, but I just don't buy them. But yeah, so now I can just wash them and reuse them, and I really like that because I put a lot of things in the freezer and stuff like that, and every single time I'm like, I wish I had reusable bags. So he bought those for me. He got this for me. It's from Andrea Yama, I believe. Andrea Yama. And this is a I'm forgetting what the term for it is. It's like a sarong, but I wanted it specifically. Like, I sent him the link because I can wear it as like a shirt. I can wear it as a sarong when it gets warmer. I can wear it as whatever I want to wear it as. But it's like, look at that pattern. Like, look at it. Look at it. Are you looking at it? Just look at it for a second. Like, just look at it. So yeah, it's like, and then you can wrap it however you want to. I think most likely the soonest I'll wear it is as a shirt. I'll just fold it and then like tie it in the back. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my titties, but I'll have to figure it out. Maybe like put a two-top or something on and then tuck the top into a two-top. I don't know, but it's so pretty, and I'm so happy that I got it because, oh, stuff is falling over. And then the big gift he got for me was a box of money, and I said, why are you giving me loose money? But then when I got to the bottom, it's not like it's thousands of dollars. Let's draw it back a little bit, but it's a good chunk of change. And there's a tattoo card at the bottom, so it's for my next tattoos. So I was like, so anyways, yeah, I'll be getting tattoos in the next couple months. There's 2, or technically 3, but 2 are like a set, and then a different one that I'm thinking of getting of next. So I need to figure out which ones I'm gonna do if I'm not gonna do all 3 at the same time. I feel like that might be a little much for my arm because they're all on this arm. So yeah. And then finally, what I got myself for Christmas are these. They're in the box because I've worn them already, and I'm not about to put them on my bed because I'm not dirty. Yeah, so I got these. And they are Coach sneakers. Now, going from New Balance to like regular sneakers, my toes be hurting, but I have to get used to it again. You know, just here and again. I won't be wearing these all the time, but they're so cute. Ain't they so cute? The bottoms are brown and red. And then yeah, so I got these just from the Coach website. They were on sale, but they were still, you know, it's still Coach. So yeah, that's what I got myself for Christmas. And that is all I got for Christmas. I could do Yenny's haul. She's sleeping right here behind you guys, but I don't think y'all care about. She got toys. One she done messed up already, one she lost already, and then she got a harness so we can start taking her outside. But yeah, that is all. That is what I got for Christmas 2024, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah.